So we're doing a review today on the Power Air Fryer oven. We have some sweet potatoes going in there on the rotating basket. So I'm a little optimistic today after some of the reviews that I saw. However, I'm really excited to use this for chicken wings. I love that it came with all of these manuals, cooking guides. This is a 7-in-1, so it actually does a lot of things. I started I'm on the health kick with the new year, and got the sweet potato fries all cut up there, some more sweet potatoes. I'm trying to decrease the amount of fat in my diet, along with exercise and, other supplements and things like that. And what led me to the air fryer was, chicken wings. We all love a good chicken wing, and unfortunately the calories that are in 1, 2, even 3 of them will put you well over 1,000 calories. But this air fryer comes with, let's check it out. So the device itself, which I think is pretty neat, it has all of the settings here. Temperature on the left, power button right there in the middle. The light you can actually turn off and on during cooking. I turned it on just so y'all could see what was going on inside there. There's some preset settings that do, your fish, baking, rotisserie, which I thought was pretty cool. We're going to start doing some whole chickens here for my meal prep pretty soon, so I'm really hoping that that's going to help. The sweet potatoes look like they're going okay. I set it at 400 for about 15 minutes. We have 5 minutes to go, so I'm really excited to show you what it's going to look like as soon as it does come out. Again, I'm pretty optimistic here after some reviews, but we'll see. I'll keep you updated. Let me go ahead and show you installation of that rotating basket was a little crazy for me because I really couldn't get it in. There's a rotating, I guess, station that's on that left side there that rotates the actual device itself. Let's see if this works. So the rotating basket, the instructions were here, and I was thinking I needed to install all of this rotisserie assembly, but it's pretty simple after I saw a quick YouTube on it of how to install the actual basket. Make sure it's put in correctly into the shaft socket, and it starts rotating on its own. And as you can see, the fries are already starting to stiffen up. I'm hoping they're going to be extra crispy. I'm not really a fan of sweet potatoes, but my husband loves them, so he said, go ahead and try a couple of those for him and let's see what happens. And, I'm hoping that it's going to turn out well. And next up, we're going to try some of the hot wings, which I'm most excited about. We're just going to do a naked wing. I really don't want to mess this thing up because in the event that it's not what I wanted it to be, we're going to return it. I mean, I got a nice little discount, got it at the Bed Bath & Beyond here. I think it was $159.99. Used the 20% discount just by signing up through email. Got it for $135. And it's not bad. 2 minutes to go, and we'll see what happens. One thing that I do need to warn y'all about is right back here is the air vent. So as you can see, I had it nice and close up to the wall right there, and this area started getting just super hot. So I kind of turned it out a little bit so that that hot air that escapes from here can have a little bit more of an area to run to. So you're going to have to definitely keep it in a well-ventilated area and away from, other walls or enclosed spaces, because I'm sure that that's going to, mess up your kitchen, start a fire. I don't know. Who knows? But we'll see. I'm so excited. Everything's looking so awesome. You see, that's crisping up in there. Sweet potato fries, y'all. Get on the health trick. Get on the health wagon. It's going to be awesome. I'm so excited. Alright, so there it goes. I'm going to open it now for y'all. Nice, easy open. Here we go. Temperature's not too hot. So we're going to go ahead and try and get it out now. We got to use this fancy tool and really get it in there. locked on and in place. And this is the side that you really want to focus up and pull out. Not so bad. Not bad at all. Okay, so I did have to clear just a little bit of space. I'm going to make sure I have it on there. There we go. Put it on the stove here. Let's see if I can set this up right so y'all can see what's going to happen. I'm going to use one of those sweet potatoes here to kind of hold what's going on. I'm pretty sure you're going to have to let this cool down. It's not really too hot. It was at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Not too bad. It's pretty cool already. You can pretty much, this is still a little warm to touch, and this is a little lever here that you're going to kind of want to pop off. Okay. Well, they're a little soft. But, you know, sweet potatoes usually are. And they taste okay. Actually, tastes really good. But I'm going to go ahead and put them in a little bit longer. I really like this rotating basket, so you're sure that everything cooks evenly and all at once, same time. Yeah, this is still a little bit hot, but I'm not trying to break nothing right now, that's for damn sure. Okay, so there we go. Just a little nice little push. I'm going to take this and put it right back in. Make sure I got the grip on there like I'm supposed to. Right back in there. Here it goes back in. So we're going to make sure it's even on both sides here. First we're going to make sure it's in where it needs to be on that side and then this side. And it should really start, yeah, it's locked, it's in place. We're going to put it on again. Turn on that on button. 15 minutes. I'm going to do the preset fries, but then again, that's probably 400. What the heck? Let's do it again. 400, 15 minutes. And we're going to press the start button. And there it goes. We're going to turn back on this light so you can see. You see, it just starts kind of going by itself there. Now that rotating basket does have letters on each side of it, on each, you know, edge of metal rotating disc that says R and L. So you're able to know, you know, which groove goes into what socket. So you're on the right side and the left side. And I'm assuming it's facing the fryer, not if the fryer's facing you, if that makes any sense. So let's give it another little while. Another 15 minutes. I mean, they were pretty good. I was satisfied for my first run. The real test is going to be for the chicken wings. Let's see what happens. The off button. It's still turning. The light's still on so you can see what's going on in there. They're looking pretty stiff. So I'm excited to see the turnout. And it's done. Alright, so let's just give it a minute here. I want to see if I can still put this down and kind of be able to let y'all see what's going on here. See if I can find something to hold it on to. Okay, so we're going to put this down. Pretty easy open. It's a little warm. Got my little handy dandy tool. Notice the pick up sides. We're going to latch on both sides, lift from the right, and slide out. Pretty easy. Nice. Let's see what we got going on right about here. So we're going to put this down, give that a minute to rest. I'm really excited that it's going to sound pretty crunchy. It's not really too hot, I don't think. So I'm going to use a towel here to kind of help me hold this. They smell yummy. Excited. This is the latch-free, latch-free, the latch that you use to open up this cage. And it's hot. Obviously, 400 degrees for a good little while. Not too bad, just a little bit of pressure. And there are, ooh, love it. Some are a little crispier than others, but obviously the thinner ones are going to crumble first. Here's a little thicker one. These sweet potatoes are usually pretty soft, but most part are pretty good. We're going to dump them right here into this glass dish that I have set up already for it. I don't know why I'm putting it right here. Just making a mess everywhere. This is hot, y'all, so just be ready. Not bad. Still stayed pretty clean. Latch, we'll leave this right here. A glass dish does pretty well when you're trying to see how crispy something is, because you can definitely. I'm excited. I think next time I'm going to keep them all pretty thick like this and not go so thin, because these look so pretty. I hope my husband will love these. Again, we're going for the healthier version of French fries here. Now we're going to do the chicken wings. Super excited.